Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get blocked Snapchat friends back. If you are using Snapchat and you have blocked your Snapchat friends and now you want to get them back or add them again, so let's see how can you easily do that. You just have to simply open your Snapchat app and here tap on your profile option in the top left corner, then tap on settings or the gear icon in the top right corner, and here you just have to scroll down and you will find an option of blocked users under privacy controls section. Here you'll find block users. You just have to simply tap on it and here you will get all of the blocked users here. You just have to simply select which one you want to. Here you'll get the cross option. If you want to unblock him, you just have to simply tap on this cross option and here you can see there's a description. Are you sure you want to unblock this Snapchatter? You have to simply tap on yes, and once you have tapped, the person will be unblocked. Now you can easily add him from your my friends option or by searching or from this plus option here. So in this way you can easily add your removed or blocked friends back in your Snapchat. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.